The evolution of the VW Golf, a compact car icon. Welcome back to our channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Volkswagen Golf. From its humble beginnings as a replacement for the iconic Beetle to becoming one of the best-selling models in the world, the VW Golf has truly left its mark on the automotive industry. So, buckle up and join us as we take a journey through time to explore the evolution of this compact car icon. The story of the VW Golf begins in 1974 when Volkswagen introduced the Golf Mach-E. This front-engined, front-wheel drive hatchback was a revolution in its own right, replacing the beloved Beetle. The Golf quickly gained popularity, offering a more practical and modern driving experience. But did you know that the Golf wasn't always called Golf in every country? In the United States and Canada, it was known as the Volkswagen Rabbit, while in Mexico, it was called the Volkswagen Caribe. These different nameplates added a touch of uniqueness to the Golf's global presence. Initially, the Golf was available as a three-door hatchback, but Volkswagen later expanded its lineup to include a five-door hatchback, estate, convertible, and even a Golfbasedsaloon called the Jetta, Vento, or Bora. This wide range of body configurations allowed the Golf to cater to different market segments, from those seeking fuel efficiency to enthusiasts craving high performance. Throughout its 8 generations, the Golf has continued to impress both critics and car enthusiasts alike. It has garnered numerous accolades, including being named the World Car of the Year in 2009 with the MK6, and again in 2013 with the MK7. In fact, the Golf is one of only 3 cars to have won European Car of the Year twice, in 1992 and 2013, alongside the Renault Clio and the Vauxhall Astra. It's no wonder that the Golf has also made the prestigious Car and Driver 10 Best list multiple times. One of the most iconic models in the Golf's lineup is undoubtedly the GTI. Introduced in 1976, the Golf GTI revolutionized the concept of a sporty compact car. It combined practicality with exhilarating performance, creating a new segment known as the hot hatch. The GTI became a symbol of driving pleasure and has continued to evolve with each generation, captivating the hearts of enthusiasts around the world. But it's not just the GTI that has captured our attention. The Golf R, the high-performance variant of the Golf, has also made its mark on the automotive world. With its powerful engine, advanced technology, and refined design, the Golf R offers a thrilling driving experience that is hard to match. As we wrap up our journey through the evolution of the VW Golf, we can't help but appreciate the impact this compact car has had on the automotive industry. From its humble beginnings as a replacement for the Beetle to becoming one of the best-selling models in the world, the Golf has proven its versatility and enduring appeal. Whether you're a fan of its practicality, exhilarating performance, or timeless design, the Golf has something for everyone. It continues to push boundaries and set new standards in the compact car segment. So next time you see a VW Golf on the road, take a moment to appreciate the legacy behind this iconic vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about the world of cars. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and let us know which generation of the VW Golf is your favorite and why. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.